This is segment 14. Kapag clinic natin yung highcharts.com, meron siyang selection. From line charts, merong area charts, column and bar charts, pie charts, scatter and bubble charts, combination, styled mode, CSS styling, accessibility, audio charts, dynamic charts, 3D charts, gauges, heat and tree maps, trees and networks. There, more chart types, general chart types, various features, flags and technical indicators, designs. Hanggang sa pinakababa. Now, tapos na tayo doon sa line charts. Yung kanina, ni-run through natin yung area charts. Yung line graphs pala. Then, nandito kasama yung sa area charts. Dito area charts, mga basic area, stack area, percentage area, area range, area race chart, area spline, SP line, inverted axis, area with negative values, spark line charts, area range and line, fan chart, stream graph, area with missing points, stacked inverted area. After ng area charts, meron naman tayong column and bar charts. Basic bar, basic column, bar race, stacked and grouped column, column range, vary wide, column with negative values, column with drill down. Fixed placement columns, column with rotated levels, stacked column, column comparison. Data defined in a HTML table, radial bar chart, stacked bar, stacked percentage column. And after ng stack percentage column, dito tayo sa pie charts. Sa pie charts, nandito yung sa pie chart, donut chart race, donut chart, pie chart with custom entrance animation, pie with monochrome fill. Let's try na mag-open ng 1 dito. And same siya ng segment 13 na interface feature. Kapag clinic natin, we have our option na ma-view ng full screen, ma-print yung chart, download ng PNG or JPEG, then PDF document, ma-download natin ng SVG vector image, ma-download natin ng CSV, XLS, or ma-view natin din yung data table. Una, wala yung data table, but if we click na yung view data table, lalabas yung pinaka-data information niya na dito ay about sa browser market shares noong February 2022. If we want to go back, kikita ulit natin yung ating iba pang mga pie charts after ng pie with monochrome fill, na dun yung pie with legend, pie with gradient fill, pie with drill down, variable radius pie, semicircle, donut. Next, scatter and bubble charts. Bubble chart, scatter plot with jitter, packed bubble chart, stellar chart, split packed bubble chart, 3D bubbles, scatter plot with 1 million points. If we click yung 1,000,000 na points na mayroon ang graph na ito, we'll see napaka-liliit ng points. And nakakabuo siya ng figure na parang time glass. Pa-invert. Ang kanilang parang may yung buhangin na may tumatagos. Parang timer. Na stand timer. Itong high charts boost module can be used to plot large amounts of data on the client side. This chart is showing us dense scatter plot of 1 million data points. Kaya kapag tinapat natin, madami ding mga series number ang lumalabas. After nito ay sa combinations. Ngayon, if we click yung pinaka-side na ito yung yung mga sections under ng combinations. Advanced timeline, multiple access, meteogram, dual access, line, and column. Then let's visit itong multiple access. Multiple access, naka-advance sa under siya ng advanced timeline, combinations, under ng combinations. Sa multiple access, ito yung average monthly weather data for Tokyo. Yung source niya, worldclimate.com. Ayan din ang itsura kapag nirun through natin ang mouse cursor. Zoom in, zoom out. Nakikita natin yung sea level pressure. Super interactive when we click it. And sa multiple access, ito na siya. Then, meteogram. This is the illustration. Dual axis, line, and column. Synchronized charts. Speed, elevation. Kaya nating matrack. Yung heart rate, kaya rin matrack dito. Or touch natin gamit ang mouse cursor. Advanced polar chart. Sales performance. Divided siya sa 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Sales team performance. If i-hover natin, makikita natin yung pagkakaiba-iba ng mga information sa loob ng graph na ito. Scatter with trend line. May mga observations sa x-axis and y-axis, yung values, trend line observations. Same interface, meron column, line, and pie. Column, line, and pie, sales of petroleum products, March, Norway. Ito yung mga bar graphs niya, million liters, jet fuel, duty-free diesel, petrol, diesel, gas, oil. Yung kanyang legend ay sa taon, then yung average. Makikita natin na ang average, if we hover yung cursor natin, ang average for jet fuel, 47 million liters. For duty-free diesel, average 83.33 million liters. Illustration, diyan natatapos yung ating combinations na graphing. Aside sa combinations, meron din tayong styled mode. Dalawa sa styled mode, CSS styling, styled mode column, at styled mode pie. Sa style mode column, ito yung style mode column. And we have our data title, average weight and BMI in some countries. Women, source world data. Ito yung weight and BMI. Blue means weight, green means BMI. Total weight for this country, mayroong 92.5 kilogram. I-compare yung BMI na 33.7. Ito yung sa mga chart configuration. This example shows how the base high chart styling is imported using CSS and modified. Hindi na daw kailangan ng JavaScript. Pagdating sa accessibility, tapos na tayo dito sa CSS styling. Sa accessibility, advanced accessible chart. Yung advanced accessible chart, source SSB, monthly earnings by level of education in Norway, illustration. If gusto din nating ma-view code, mailabas natin yung mga codes para ma-come up yung illustration. Line styles, most common desktop screen readers. Source web, AIM, click on points to visit official screen reader website. Pag clinic natin, hindi siya nagwo-work pa ngayon. Pero pag i-clinic natin, mararoute daw tayo sa pinaka-information na nakalagay doon sa graph.